Hey, welcome back to the kitchen with me, Debbie. Hope you're having a fabulous day. I'm making something simple today, some sticky chicken. Here I have some boneless, skinless chicken thighs that I've washed in lemon juice and trim as much fat. Leave some on, of course. And now I'm going to season this. And I'm going to see, here I'm getting a little brown sugar. Pinch of salt, black pepper. Ooh, I went in there for that thing. I don't know how. A little garlic powder. Paprika. Just a smidgen of ground ginger. I usually don't like to use ground ginger, like fresh ginger, but the ground ginger does go best with this, and also a smidgen of grated nutmeg. Okay, move this stuff out the way. Let me mix this up real good together. And I think I may have went a little bit too small on the dry seasonings. I need some more, because I do have quite a bit of chicken in there. I'm hoping for some leftovers for lunch tomorrow. Get a little bit more brown sugar. A little bit more black pepper. Salt. And I'm not going to put any more ginger. It's up to you. I do not want to hear Jade mouth when I'm done cooking, or I'm going to go bazonkers. And I'm watching my grandson tonight, so no bazonkers for me. Let me get a plate. Hey, puppy. You having a good time over here in your bouncy? When my son come, okay? Okay, I just want a little of the seasonings on each side of these. Ooh, somebody's about to get rowdy. That's right. Somebody's about to get rowdy. Okay, guys, I'll come back when I'm finished doing seasoning all the chicken, okay? All right, guys, I am done adding the seasoning to the chicken. Now I have this pan over here. I'm heating it on a little under medium heat. I'm going to coat the bottom of the pan with some oil. I don't want too much oil. And I want to let you know also, when I washed and cleaned the chicken, I also use a clean paper towel to pat dry it, because you don't want too much water left on it for when you're browning it. I will change things up. So I got to get this oil real hot, and I'll see you. Hey, welcome back. The little guy was a bit fussy, so my husband is home tonight, so he's upstairs spending time with his grandpa. All right, so now this oil is hot. Although I pat dry the chicken prior to seasoning it, because I had so much of it sitting on top of each other, they start to liquefy, because they do that. So you want to make sure your oil is hot enough, and you want to make sure you do not put too much in there, because it will lower the temperature of the oil, and you don't want the chicken sticking in the pot. So let's get started. I'm just going to start with 3. And I will see you back when I'm finished browning the chicken. I just want to get a nice brown coat on each side of the chicken. Okay, I'll see you back. Okay, so guys, we're back. I'm done browning the chicken. Here they are. Okay. Let me make sure you can see in the pot there all the brownness from the bottom of the pot there that I'm going to use to help make the sticky sauce. I do feel like there's too much oil in the pot, so I'm going to remove some of that first. So let's do that. Okay, I just leaving just a smidgen in there. Okay, to this I'm going to add a little Worcestershire sauce and a little soy sauce, and I'm going to I don't want any too much liquid, just a little. Adding a little water to that also. Just a smidgen of sauce, just to coat the chicken pieces. Let me show you all this juice in here from the chicken. We have some sugar grains on there. We'll keep boiling this. I'm gonna add it. I want it spicy, so I'm gonna add red pepper flakes now. I didn't add it when I seasoned the chicken, because when you add red pepper flakes and you're browning chicken, and like when you get the bottom crust like that because of the brown sugar, it just flare up in my nose, and I don't like that. So I wait till now to add the spice. Okay, I'm trying to get the all the brown goodness on the bottom of the pan. That's where so much of the flavor is. I want to taste this and see if it's spicy enough. Especially for Jade. I hope it is, because it is for me. I'm mixing a little cornstarch slurry, because I want it to be a little thicker. Oh yes, perfecto. Oh yes, that is so perfect. So now what I'm going to do, get the chicken pieces and do this. Let me turn the heat all the way down. Look at that. I already have some white rice and some broccoli steamed. Just piece by piece like this. Both sides. I didn't want a lot like it was gravy. I just wanted to make the chicken. It's called sticky chicken for a reason. And with this, I love adding pineapple to it. My family is like, they complain about me and the pineapple so much. Especially y'all know who. Y'all hear who I talk about a lot, who just so picky. She called me picky and that she get it from me. I don't know how. Maybe she did. But here we go. So guys, there we have it. This is my sweet and spicy sticky chicken. Let's get you up closer. Trust me, it tastes as good as it looks. Please comment once you try this recipe and all my recipes and let me know how you like them. Here you go. Let me serve up a plate and show you right now what that looks like. Can't get in here, so let me just start some music. Okay. Let me get some rice. Turn this off all the way, guys. That's enough. I'm not gonna lie, I love broccoli, but broccoli don't love me so much, so I don't eat too much of it. Okay guys, let me try a piece of this for you. Oh my God. Guys, that's heaven, I promise you. I want to thank you so much for watching. I appreciate the support and the wonderful comments I've been getting. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. From my kitchen to yours and from my family to yours, God bless and enjoy.
I just want to impart to others, many other kids, especially African Americans, that playing instruments will really help them. I love this so much, and it's a beautiful feeling.
Jason got it.